I'm not here to grow plants. I'm here to change lives. I'm a romantic.
हम भी असला रखते हैं। अरे मुझे नहीं चाहिए। अरे वो क्या आग है क्या?
Yeah. Who you guys?
10 a.m.
No, I really wasn't expecting you guys to come. I just put on this mic and I was just waiting for anyone who would just come, put a camera in my face and just record what I do in a day in my life. I'll show you my plants. 5 plants which are dead. I'm not here to grow plants. I'm here to change lives of humans. So what are we doing today? Today I'm wearing something other than black because all my black t-shirts are in the laundry. Plus I also want to blend in because today we're going to go to Crawford Market. We have a couple of products that we want to find vendors for, and we want to find what are the products that people are usually selling out there in the market. So we're going to go do some ground research, and I've always wanted to go to Crawford Market because I've heard stories of it just being like this magical place where you can find whatever the fuck you want. So that's what we're going to do today. Oh, this is my ukulele. I know how to play one song. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. but today I have woken up at 10 because I slept really late. I slept at 4 a.m. I've been on a fitness journey for about 90 days now. When I started this challenge, I was about 117.3 kgs. But as of today morning, I'm 108.6 kgs, which is 8.7 kgs lower. I won't take any negative comments about it. There were recently a lot of cockroaches in my kitchen. I got a lot of pest control done. So hopefully there should be no cockroaches. But if you see one, kill them. I'm making Super U protein. So actually we make 2 batches, one for now and then one for later in the day. I also add pre-workout, so it gives me that jolt of energy that I need. So my daily protein intake is at about 150 to 200 grams right now. These 4 packets milake only become like 100 grams of protein because I drink one of these in the morning before I leave for work. And then I drink one of them in the evening. In the morning I take this pre-workout with my whey protein, which has 3 grams of protein, and then for my evening shake I add this 1 scoop of this. Protein is great. Every day I take protein in the morning. I feel great throughout the day. Everyone should start their day with a lot of protein, especially when you're getting like 4 hours of sleep. Okay, let's add some water. I'm already tired of making this dude. What am I gonna do in Crawford? Cool, I think we're pretty sorted. So this is my breakfast, this is my evening snack, and in between lunch, so we'll figure out what we do. Alexa, turn everything off in living room. We're on a mission today. We're on a mission to find the best, cheapest, and most trustworthy vendor for a couple of products. You might be thinking, where is Rahul going? But that's because I know all the routes. I'm just a genius that way. Hey, why is the smoke coming out of that, bro? What the fuck?
It's pest control.
Oh. So when we got the Elevate, he had 3 conditions: that I will never cross 100 kilometers per hour, which is absolutely impossible, and that I would never text while driving. Third one was so that I don't injure myself or crash the car. But I think more importantly, so I don't crash the car. My dad doesn't care about me. My parents want me to get married, and the conversation has been like ramping up over the last few weeks, and I haven't met them over the last few weeks like properly. Like my dad came just for the car to Bombay, but I feel like this trip to Goa, and I'm going to be there for a week, there's going to be some मैं पिटने वाला हूँ मैं. I'm a romantic. I'm a Bollywood kind of guy. When people say I don't like arranged marriage, it's because they don't like the way arranged marriage used to happen in the past, right? Where you would just go to someone's house, see each other for like 5 minutes, just have a conversation, alag se for 10 minutes, and then you have to make a decision. But that's not how it is right now, right? Right now there's like a whole industry which is based around arranged marriage. So there are these multiple websites according to your caste, according to your religion, according to everything. You can just create multiple profiles across everything. So it's actually kind of better. I hate that phrasing. Love come arrange. What the fuck? Arrange mein love kam hota hai. अरे तो मैं मरने वाला था, उससे रोका ही नहीं मुझे. मैं क्या करूं? मेरे सामने कोई बैरियर नहीं था. मेरे सामने कोई नंबर नहीं था तो मैं कहा चला गया. Sorry government, I'll pay you back 100 rupees. Okay, I'll overspeed now and I'll give you some fine money. I've been told my laugh is really unique. I have no sympathy, no empathy, but I have a lot of sympathy. We don't have anything lined up at Crawford. So I have these products that I want to launch under the Bloom range. These are intimate area trimmers, like basically a bikini trimmer, a face razor, and then I'm also looking for like a trimmer for your balls for men. This is under Bold Care, not Bloom. What I'm trying to see is like if I can find a local vendor here as well who can make it for me, because my China shipment is kind of slightly delayed. So I have all the products ke photos with me, so I'm just going to go around to different shops, because I've been told that Crawford Market has different areas where there are different kind of products sold. But I've done like a basic reco of the whole place, so now I'm going to go again with you guys with the products that we have, and we're going to go to different pockets of the market, and we're going to find vendors who can sell me that product immediately. We are here at Horny Man Circle. It's actually Horniman Circle. But because I am from Bold Care, I will call it Horny Man. I really enjoy taking people around Bombay. It's my favorite city after Chennai. गाड़ी मैं चला रहा हूँ इतनी मुश्किल से मैं उसमें सुबह 6 घंटे सो के मैं आया हूँ and Chaitali is tired. Okay, fair. Here at Crawford Market, where we are shooting some stuff. This is like really old Bombay streets. Ria Ayurvedic Hair Ton. Oh dude, this is where I saw a nice interesting shop. I'll show you. I saw an arms and ammunition shop. Hi. Guys, this is Wajid, Head of Operations. This is Tabish, works with the warehouse team, operations as well. कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम अभी?
यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मार्केट्स में.
Okay, cool. चलो, let's go. On an expedition. ताबिश, आप यहीं पे रहते हो क्या?
हाँ, पाईकला.
तो आप ये एरिया अच्छे से जानते हो?
Yes.
क्या यहाँ पे सबसे फेमस क्या है?
जैसे कि यहाँ पे होलसेल मार्केट बहुत बड़ा है.
हाँ. ये जो होलसेल मार्केट है पूरा, ये ओरिजिनल होते हैं सारे या फेक होते हैं या क्या होता है?
चाइना ऑल चाइना आइटम्स.
Got it, nice. Now on to the traffic. There's so much traffic ahead. देखो यार, fuck. There's no way to walk as well. It's quite insane. You have to be careful while you shoot, okay? Because people here might not be very happy with you shooting. ये और आगे मिलेगा? राइट में मिलेगा. कोई दुकान का नाम?
करेंगे तो पूरी सब दुकानें भी आएगी. तो यहाँ पे पूछो.
अच्छा, किधर पूछे? इधर पूछे?
पूछ लो यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी.
मैं तुम लोगों को फोटो भेजता हूँ, तुम लोग भी जाके पूछो ना इधर उधर. आपका इस टाइप का ट्रिमर है, ये वुमेन के लिए, औरतों के लिए ट्रिमर.
कोई भी यूज कर सकता है, ये भी वही है.
नहीं ठीक है, यही वाला ढूंढ रहा हूँ मैं तो. चलो आगे चलो. So far gone to like some 10 shops. We found the face razors. I think that was pretty easy to find. But now we are really looking for the other type of trimmer for women, and I'm looking for a trimmer for men, which I think we'll find soon. Photo ले लूँगा. ठीक है, डन. आते हैं. Thank you. ये पता ही नहीं. हम भी असला रखते हैं. मेरे को एक दे दो. मुझे चाहिए ही नहीं. अरे भाई मुझे नहीं चाहिए. अच्छा, पर मुझे नहीं चाहिए. नहीं चाहिए मुझे. अरे मुझे नहीं चाहिए. मेरे पास है बस, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. नहीं चाहिए. नहीं. I like making cupcakes, but the only molds I have right now are the larger ones. So I got these tiny ones. And I got this huge spatula. Then I got, no it's fine. I got this springform pan. And then I got these cups that go into the cupcake mold. Nice. And I'm getting cheese right now to make tiramisu.
Really?
Yeah. Ah! 360.
Are you sure it's real?
Yeah.
Guess it.
Only one way to find out. If I don't die of food poisoning, then we are good, I guess. It's so awkward because everyone knows you will also get into the car with me, but it's just. I come to Mahalakshmi and Siddhivinayak quite often. Siddhivinayak has helped us get through a lot of issues in the business. I will do a video about it later. तो अभी हम निकल गए क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट से. वहाँ पे a couple of guys descended on us and said delete करो सारा footage. यहाँ पे आप shoot नहीं कर सकते. तो हम थोड़े से डर गए थे. तो हम निकल गए वहाँ से immediately. We found one of the products that we were looking for, but the other two products we really couldn't find. We couldn't source. So we got a slightly hostile environment in Crawford because we were shooting also, I think. Now we are going to go back to the Main Street office. We're going to shoot some more content. Sheena is coming, so we're going to do some interesting videos with her. What a sad, low energy ending. No, I still have the energy. और मैं एक one more pre-workout snort करके आता हूँ मैं cocaine snort करके आता हूँ. Better है?
We keep everything in the car.
No. You can keep cocaine, whatever drugs we mentioned, just don't mention chicken. And ये वीडियो ये डालो, but वो चिकन को बीप कर दो.
Like it's a cuss word.
ये सब ये कोकेन वोकेन बोलने से वीडियो डीमोनेटाइज हो जाएगा क्या? वो शैडो बैन हो जाएगा क्या? कोकेन 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 कोकेन. वो जब आए थे तब तो कटे ही नहीं थे. अरे ये वो क्या आ गए क्या? We are citizen journalists. No bro, that's a fire. It's a proper fire. Okay. Thank you.
Stopped paying tolls now.
ये कब से
They
हुआ?
just let me through, guys.
ये कब हुआ कब?
Hey, वो क्या हो रहा है भाई? Damn, son.
अब वापस आए क्या वहाँ से?
हाँ, of course. Now I'm also intrigued.
Marriage vibes.
What? No, I like the song, bro. गाना तो गा सकता हूँ मैं. वो पूरा रेड है भाई, वहाँ पे हम ट्रैफिक में फंसने वाले हैं अभी. क्योंकि चैताली को आग देखना था.
पता पड़ा माँ फौज को रात पहुँच गई. सब चले गए. क्या हुआ? क्यों आए तुम लोग? सब चले गए?
Okay, I'll stop there. You get off quickly and see what's happening, okay? Oh, it's Kuda only.
Today in Rahul's day, I'm here and we're talking about lots of things and I'm giving an opinion because I love doing that.
Yeah.
And lots of people have laughed in this room, so I'm a great addition.
I think most of them laughed at my jokes.
Really not.
Let's take a poll. Guys, who was funnier? Rahul. Thank you.
Sheena.
Rahul, I am with you.
Thank you.
Yeah, whatever.
Shashank?
Women stand for women.
Can I stick it to myself?
Yeah.
Welcome back to...
Be bold like Rahul.
No. Be bold, Rahul.
Welcome back to this channel called Be Bold Rahul,
Yes.
where Rahul gets bold people to talk about things. Wow.
Editor.
Very nice.
Okay.
Hello. So when I say snatch me, like, how date this person?
Of course.
Yeah.
What did you think?
Not like just fuck, because that's so.
Oh, that also, I mean, what a day in my life we have had. From waking up at 9 a.m. on time to going to Crawford, buying stuff, shooting a video with Sheena, fan to Sheena, to right now I'll go back home, make my dinner, which should have, I think, 30-40 grams of protein, and then sleep at a decent time, like 2-3 a.m. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.